but because of the effort of the people of Navakolo, ni kama hoka, you go to where people are, pale wanunuzi wako Odinga. Kwa sababu dada yangu wako nje, umeona alitumwa na rais kwingine.
Austine Oduor, familia yote ya kina Austine Oduor tumekuwa nao vizuri. MP Embakasi South.
Austine has been a good example to us of how each and every one of us should live. He was a role model, not just as a soccer player, but a role model even in life, in old age, how we should live. He was extremely organized. Let us emulate Austine so that we live well with everybody that we interact with.
Nobody is there to take care of them. When they are alive, they are sickling, nobody is there to take care of them. I don't say that legends are special, but we have done something special to the country, where we want the government to support us a lot when we have challenges in life.
Lazima tuwe na some fund kama serikali, ambapo wale legends ambao hawawezi kujimudu kimaisha, tuone vile tunaweza kuingilia, tuwasaidie. Tumekubaliana na Bwana Walo kwamba sisi tukirudi kule kwa ministry, tutaona vile katika hiyo fund ambayo sasa tutaianzisha, tutaanza kuwasaidia namna gani.